Ever notice your Samsung Health app showing miles when you prefer kilometers or pounds instead of kilograms? Let's fix that by changing the unit of measurement on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra so your health tracking feels natural and accurate. First, open Samsung Health app on your phone. Tap the three dots at the top right corner. Then tap Setting. Under General section, tap Unit of Measurement. Here you will see several categories you can adjust: height, weight, temperature, distance, blood glucose, blood pressure, HbA1c, and water intake. You can tap on a category and choose the unit that works best for you. For example, if you are a runner, switch distance from miles to kilometers. So your run tracking matches your preference. Or if you are monitoring weight loss, you might prefer pounds instead of kilograms. And that's it. By setting the right unit, Samsung Health becomes easier to read and more useful for your daily goals. Whether you are running, tracking weight, or monitoring your health, the Galaxy S25 Ultra makes sure the number match your lifestyle. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.